Ready to transform your health and the planet? Discover 8 easy tips for starting a healthy and sustainable plant-based lifestyle in this must-watch video. Believe me, you won't want to miss it. Hey guys, my name is Jacob and this is Vegan Life. Today's video is all about how to go vegan. If you're looking to adopt a healthy and sustainable plant-based lifestyle, but don't know where to start, then this video is for you. I'll be sharing 8 easy tips that will help you transition to a vegan diet and lifestyle. The latest tips are undoubtedly the most important and can be decisive for your transformation, so stay until the end of this video. 1. Start with meatless Mondays. One of the easiest ways to start your vegan journey is to commit to having one meatless day a week. You can choose any day that works for you, but Mondays are popular as it sets the tone for a healthy start to the week. Use this as an opportunity to try new vegan recipes and explore plant-based foods. 2. Incorporate more plant-based foods. You don't have to go vegan overnight, but you can start by incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet. This means focusing on fruits, vegetables, legumes, and grains. These foods are rich in nutrients and will help you feel fuller for longer. 3. Experiment with vegan substitutes. If you're missing certain foods, don't worry. There are plenty of vegan substitutes out there that taste just as good. Try plant-based milks, vegan meats, and dairy-free cheese alternatives. You may be surprised at how good they taste. Going vegan means cutting out animal products from your diet, which can impact your nutrient intake. It's important to educate yourself about the nutrients your body needs and how to get them from plant-based sources. Make sure you're getting enough protein, iron, calcium, vitamin B12, and omega-3 fatty acids. Before we continue, I ask you please leave your like and subscribe to the channel, because this way you will help the vegan community too much and will receive new content like this every day. 4. Plan your meals in advance. Planning your meals in advance is key to a successful vegan lifestyle. This will help you stay on track and ensure you have a variety of nutritious meals throughout the week. There are plenty of resources online that offer vegan meal plans and recipes. 5. Get involved in the vegan community. Doing so, you can share recipes, get tips, and stay motivated on your vegan journey. Going vegan can be challenging, especially if you're the only one in your social circle who is following a plant-based diet. Joining a vegan community can provide you with support, encouragement, and inspiration. You can find local vegan groups, attend vegan events, or join online communities to connect with like-minded individuals. Being part of a community can make the transition to a vegan lifestyle much easier and more enjoyable. 6. Read labels and ingredients. Reading labels and ingredients is crucial to a successful vegan lifestyle. Make sure you're aware of what you're putting into your body and always check for animal products or byproducts. 7. Don't be too hard on yourself. Remember that going vegan is a journey, not a destination. Don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up or make mistakes. Focus on progress, not perfection, and celebrate small wins along the way. 8. Have a good vegan cookbook. Having a good vegan cookbook is essential to making the transition to a plant-based lifestyle. It can provide you with inspiration and guidance on how to make delicious and healthy vegan meals. If you're looking for a great cookbook to get started, I recommend a great vegan cookbook with over 100 delicious unique recipes, which has easy-to-follow recipes that anyone can make. You can find the link to the cookbook in the description below. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to discover new and exciting plant-based dishes that will impress your friends and family. Click now and start cooking. That's it for today's video on how to go vegan. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to start your vegan journey. Remember, it's all about taking small steps and making sustainable changes that work for you. Comment below other tips that you find interesting for those who are starting this journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.